this feeling of rearranging my entire computer area for drawing and editing videos. I always have this feeling to do this every couple of months, every 3 months. I just feel like rearranging everything. Sometimes things work, and then other times I see something that I want to move around and make it so that my workflow is better, so I can get more drawings done. And I'm always in this situation where I want to rearrange everything. I don't know why. I just like having everything organized, but then I get to where I'm working on something really hard or for an extended period of time, and then things get messy and cluttered, and then I reclean everything, reorganize, and always on the move, always moving things. But things are going well. I have a lot of drawings planned and a lot of things that are going to be getting done for the holidays, and I'm going to be releasing a lot more videos in the coming months, so be on the lookout for those. And I'm almost done with my Moleskine sketchbook at the moment. I've only got about, I think, 10 more pages until it's done, and then I'm gonna do a review on that once I get it all finished up. But things are going well, getting a lot of drawings done, and this isn't really that long of a video. It's about 2.5 minutes, but some of the drawings don't take me that long, even though I'm using 3 cameras to record it to extend the length of the video. Because if I just use one video time lapsed, this video would be less than a minute, and I really wouldn't have any time to talk about anything. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work on some more things, but until then, thank you all for watching, and whatever you're doing and wherever you are, you have a good day, and I will see you in the next video.